Hi, I am Centimus Prime, and here I'll be showing you how to build an alternate build I made using the parts from this set, the Lego set number 71790, and there are the parts, and we can get started with the build. Now, before that, I'll be showing you the parts more closely. Now, you may notice some of the sections of the mock are pre-built, and those are either stuff you have to build two of, such as this part, or sections you have to mirror, such as this section, or obviously the leg section. Now I'll be showing you how to build this. Now, first we're going to start with the chest section. Grab this part on top of this part, the ball joint part. Grab this green part, put it down there. This part is asymmetrical. You could put it either way, but I'm putting it like this. Then put this 2x3 maroon tile, and then put this gold slope thing facing towards the center. Now you're gonna build two like this, and then build on the other side. Put this on the other side. Then what you're gonna do is grab two of these, put it over like that. Then grab this part, put it there, and then grab this gold piece, and then put it on top of that. Now we're going to be building the shoulder section. Grab this part, put the cheese slope on top of that, put this black spike thing, stick it in this hole like so. Make sure the taller edge is pointing back. Take this orange piece, put it in with the anti-studs. Then take this white part, put it on the other orange studs. Grab this piece, stick it there. Grab another one of these ball pieces, stick it there. This cylinder piece is going to stick in this round section in the middle. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and this. We're going to stick the cheese slope in tall end facing the edge, and then put this on like so. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking two of these and putting each one on a white stud underneath. Now you're going to build this and mirror. You're going to mirror this build, and then you're going to stick it on. Make sure the black studs are connecting to the red anti-studs, like so. Now what you're going to be doing, you're going to take this piece, this piece, stick it in there, then grab another piece, put it on the other stud, then take this, you put the black studs on the black anti-studs under there, and the chest is pretty much done. Now, here's a round plate, and you're going to be, here's the gold part, you're going to stick this on top of the gold part, then you're going to stick this on the black cylinder piece. Then what you're going to do is going to take this rod and shove it in there. So make sure that the notch piece is facing upward. That way it goes flush with the black part. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab two of these. Gonna stick these gray ball joints on it. Then grab one of these, stick it on like that. Grab this, a red one of these, stick on like that. And then take this and push it through. Now you got that. And stick this section onto here. And then stick the shoulder pads on like so. Now we're going to be building the legs. For the legs, you're going to be taking one of these. Going to take this pointing downward. Take one of these. Put it on the other gold anti-stud. Then take this black part. Put it on like so. Then take another one. Have it facing the same direction. And then grab this part, stick it on this way, then take this part, stick it on the anti-studs on that snot piece, then connect the two ratchet hinges. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this piece and stick it on here. Then grab another one of these joints, stick on like that, grab the orange piece, stick it like so, grab this piece, put it in the two round anti-studs in the middle, like so. Now we're going to be building claw feet. And the claw parts of the feet, and really the feet themselves, are built just like the claw feet in the sets. They just have the orange claws because I'm using those for a different mock. But anyways, stick that on. There we go. Mirror that build. And let's move on. Next, we're going to be building the arms. Grab a gray piece like this. Grab one of these. Do it like so. Grab another one of these. And stick. Then grab one of these black pieces. Stick on like that. Then stick a red piece there. Stick a this black curved piece and stick on there. Grab another one of these, stick it there, and another one here. Now what you're going to be doing is grabbing another one of these, then grab two of these gold slopes, pointy part facing this direction. Then what you're going to be doing is taking these two parts, stick them together, stick it on that one stud there, and then connect this on top, and then sandwich it on there. And this, I actually had that upside down. Whatever. Now you're gonna be mirroring this, but instead of these two parts, you're gonna be putting on these two parts. So that goes on like so, and then like that. Next, we're going to be building the weapons. The sword is pretty simple. It's just stick the sword on the hilt piece, stick the hilt piece on the rod, stick both of these rods on this Technic piece, and then stick like so. And then stick the Technic piece in the axle hole, like so. Now for a shield, obviously you can put this snap piece here, but what you're going to be doing next is going to be taking this part, grab this interesting piece, stick it there, grab two more of these, stick it just below that, take these two pieces, stick them, layer them on top of each other like this, like so. Then you're going to be taking this 1x6, taking another one of these, sticking it on like that, then grabbing another one of these, sticking this black piece on like so, and then you're going to be mirroring that, and then you're going to stick these on top of here, put this assembly, was it like, so this goes on like this, this goes on top of this, and then this piece gets layered on top of there, and that's the shield. And finally, we're going to be building the head. Head is pretty simple. You're going to be grabbing this little rod, clipping it onto these two red pieces, taking these two gold claw pieces, clipping them on like so. You're going to be building two of them. Next, you're going to be taking one of these pieces, taking this piece, sticking on like that, then take the other one, but mirrored, and then sticking on like that. Then you're going to grab the other one and two of these orange pieces, then stick them on like so. Next, you're going to be taking this again, and one more of these gold slope things, stick on like so. Then grab the socket piece, stick it behind this piece, then take this part, put it behind that part, and then take the two claw pieces, and then just stick them on top of the remaining studs. Bam, we got the head. Now, last but most certainly not least, we assemble the samurai robot thing. So grab the torso, put the legs on, like so. Of course that had to happen again. Why not? My bad. But anyways, stick the arm, pop the arms in, like so. Stick the head in, and then give him his shield. And that, my viewers, is how you build your own samurai-esque build using this Ninjago set. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope people who buy this set and want more and want to do more with it can at least find some enjoy this neat little build I made. So anyways, that'll be it for this video. I'll be posting again sooner or later.